Have you ever wondered what it takes to live a longer, healthier life? Imagine a diet that promises not just better health, but also increased vitality and longevity. Over the past week, I've tested out the longevity diet, a fascinating regimen inspired by some of the world's longest living populations. How did it affect my energy levels? What challenges did I face along the way? And most importantly, did I notice any significant changes in just 7 days? Stick around to find out the surprising results and whether this diet could be the key to unlocking a healthier, longer life. Stay with me until the end to uncover all the insights and tips from this intriguing experiment. So, what exactly is the longevity diet? The longevity diet is a dietary regimen designed to enhance lifespan and overall well-being by mimicking the eating patterns of the world's longest living populations, often referred to as the blue zones. These areas include places like Okinawa, Japan, Sardinia, Italy, Icaria, Greece, Loma Linda, California, and Nicoya, Costa Rica. The diet emphasizes a holistic approach to nutrition and lifestyle, focusing on natural, nutrient-dense foods that support health and longevity. Let's now look at the core principles of the longevity diet. Basically, there are 9 areas of focus, namely: 1. Plant-based focus. Vegetables and fruits. Rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, these are the staples of the diet. They help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are linked to aging and chronic diseases. Legumes, beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent sources of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. They are low in fat and help maintain steady blood sugar levels. 2. Whole grains. Foods like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat are preferred over refined grains. They provide sustained energy, essential nutrients, and help maintain digestive health. 3. Healthy fats. Olive oil, a primary fat source, particularly in Mediterranean regions. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Nuts and seeds. These provide healthy fats, protein, and important micronutrients like magnesium and vitamin E. 4. Limited animal protein. The diet encourages minimal consumption of meat, especially red and processed meats. When animal protein is consumed, it's usually fish or lean poultry, which provide omega-3 fatty acids beneficial for heart health. 5. Low sugar and processed foods. Avoiding added sugars and highly processed foods is crucial. The diet promotes natural sweeteners in moderation and whole, unprocessed foods. 6. Moderate caloric intake. Caloric restriction without malnutrition is a key aspect. This doesn't mean starvation but eating until you are 80% full, a practice known as hara hachi-biyu in Okinawa. 7. Regular fasting. Periodic fasting or time-restricted eating can help improve metabolic health and promote cellular repair processes. 8. Hydration. Drinking plenty of water, herbal teas, and occasionally red wine in moderation, particularly in Mediterranean cultures, is encouraged. Alcohol, if consumed, should be in small amounts and preferably with meals. 9. Social and lifestyle factors. The longevity diet also emphasizes the importance of a healthy lifestyle, including regular physical activity, strong social connections, and stress reduction practices such as mindfulness and meditation. Benefits of the longevity diet. Improved heart health. By reducing saturated fat and cholesterol intake and increasing consumption of heart-healthy foods like olive oil and nuts. Enhanced digestive health. Through high-fiber intake from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Better weight management. Caloric restriction and nutrient-dense foods help maintain a healthy weight. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Lower incidence of diseases such as diabetes, cancer, and Alzheimer's due to the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of the diet. Increased longevity. Mimicking the dietary patterns of long-lived populations has been linked to a longer, healthier life. But, like any major change in diet, there are going to be some challenges. For me, the biggest hurdles are going to be changing my eating habits and dealing with food restrictions. I love my snacks and occasional indulgences, so this is going to be interesting. Alright, so here's how my week went. I started by planning my meals and finding recipes that fit the longevity diet principles. There were some tasty surprises and a few challenges along the way. Let me walk you through it day by day. Day 1. Starting fresh. Morning. Breakfast. I started the day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. I used almond milk to make the oatmeal creamy and added a pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor. Preparation. Cook 1/2 cup of oats in 1 cup of almond milk over medium heat, stirring occasionally until thickened. Top with a handful of blueberries, raspberries, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a teaspoon of honey. Afternoon. Lunch. A vibrant Mediterranean-inspired salad. I combined mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions, Kalamata olives, and a handful of chickpeas. For dressing, I whisked together olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, and oregano. Preparation. Chop vegetables and mix in a large bowl. For the dressing, combine 3 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 minced garlic clove, and a teaspoon of dried oregano. Drizzle over the salad and toss to combine. Evening. Dinner. For dinner, I made a simple yet delicious vegetable stir-fry. I sautéed broccoli, bell peppers, snap peas, and carrots in olive oil and seasoned with a splash of low-sodium soy sauce and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Preparation. In a large skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-high heat. Add chopped vegetables and cook, stirring frequently, until tender crisp. Add 2 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds towards the end of cooking. Not bad. Though I was tempted to have one of my regular snacks, I somehow managed to resist and ended the day with a feeling of accomplishment. Day 2. Finding my rhythm. Morning. Breakfast. Smoothie time. I blended spinach, banana, almond milk, a scoop of protein powder, and a tablespoon of flax seeds for a nutritious start. Preparation. In a blender, combine 2 cups of spinach, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 scoop of plant-based protein powder, and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Blend until smooth. Afternoon. Lunch. I prepared a hearty lentil soup. Sautéed onions, carrots, and celery, added lentils, vegetable broth, diced tomatoes, and spices like cumin and turmeric. Preparation. In a large pot, sauté 1 diced onion, 2 chopped carrots, and 2 chopped celery stalks in olive oil until softened. Add 1 cup of lentils, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Simmer for 30 minutes until lentils are tender. Evening. Dinner. Grilled salmon with a side of quinoa and steamed asparagus. I seasoned the salmon with lemon juice, garlic, and dill before grilling. Preparation. Season 2 salmon fillets with the juice of 1 lemon, 2 minced garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon of dried dill. Grill for about 5 minutes on each side. Cook 1 cup of quinoa according to package instructions and steam a bunch of asparagus until tender. Nice. It gets even better. I ended on another high. Mentally prepared to take on day 3. Day 3. Settling in. Morning. Breakfast. Avocado toast on whole grain bread, topped with a sprinkle of sea salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. Preparation. Toast 2 slices of whole grain bread. Mash 1 avocado and spread it evenly on the toast. Season with sea salt, black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Afternoon. Lunch. I made a hearty chickpea and spinach stew. Sautéed onions and garlic, added chickpeas, spinach, diced tomatoes, and spices like paprika and cumin. Preparation. In a large pot, sauté 1 diced onion and 2 minced garlic cloves in olive oil until softened. Add 2 cans of chickpeas, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 4 cups of spinach, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Evening. Dinner. I enjoyed a colorful Buddha bowl with quinoa, roasted sweet potatoes, kale, avocado, and a tahini dressing. Preparation. Roast 2 diced sweet potatoes in olive oil at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Cook 1 cup of quinoa according to package instructions. In a bowl, combine quinoa, roasted sweet potatoes, 2 cups of chopped kale, 1 sliced avocado, and drizzle with tahini dressing. Mix 2 tablespoons of tahini with lemon juice and a bit of water to thin. Can this get any better? Now I am really pumped up. Day 4. Midweek check-in. Morning. Breakfast. I whipped up a chia pudding the night before with almond milk, chia seeds, and vanilla extract, topped with fresh berries in the morning. Preparation. Mix 1 cup of almond milk, 1/4 cup of chia seeds, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Refrigerate overnight. Top with fresh berries in the morning. Afternoon. Lunch. A nourishing miso soup with tofu, seaweed, mushrooms, and green onions. Preparation. In a pot, bring 4 cups of water to a boil. Add 1/4 cup of miso paste, stirring until dissolved. Add cubed tofu, a handful of dried seaweed, sliced mushrooms, and chopped green onions. Simmer for 10 minutes. Evening. Dinner. I baked eggplant slices with a tomato and basil topping, paired with a side of whole grain pasta. Preparation. Slice 2 eggplants and place on a baking sheet. Top with a mixture of 2 diced tomatoes, 2 minced garlic cloves, and a handful of chopped basil. Drizzle with olive oil and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Cook whole grain pasta according to package instructions. Hooray! The halfway mark is now behind me. The days are moving faster. Day 5. Getting creative. I am feeling some creative energy this morning, so this is what I did. Morning. Breakfast. A colorful fruit salad with a variety of seasonal fruits, topped with a handful of walnuts and a squeeze of lime juice. Preparation. Chop a mix of seasonal fruits like apples, oranges, berries, and kiwi. Toss with a handful of walnuts and the juice of 1 lime. Afternoon. Lunch. A hearty bowl of minestrone soup with beans, vegetables, and whole grain pasta. Preparation. In a large pot, sauté 1 diced onion, 2 chopped carrots, and 2 chopped celery stalks in olive oil. Add 1 can of cannellini beans, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 cup of chopped green beans, and 1 cup of whole grain pasta. Simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Evening. Dinner. I made a vegetable curry with cauliflower, peas, and potatoes, served over brown rice. Preparation. In a large pot, sauté 1 diced onion and 2 minced garlic cloves in olive oil. Add 1 chopped cauliflower, 2 diced potatoes, 1 cup of peas, 1 can of coconut milk, and 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Simmer for 30 minutes. Serve over brown rice. Contemplating right now. Should I do a repeat of today's menu for tomorrow? Let me sleep on it and see what happens in the morning. Day 6. Feeling more energized. Morning. Breakfast. A refreshing smoothie bowl with blended frozen berries, banana, and almond milk, topped with granola and coconut flakes. Preparation. Blend 1 cup of frozen berries, 1 banana, and 1 cup of almond milk until smooth. Pour into a bowl and top with granola and coconut flakes. Afternoon. Lunch. A delicious quinoa salad with black beans, corn, bell peppers, and a cilantro lime dressing. Preparation. Cook 1 cup of quinoa according to package instructions. In a large bowl, combine quinoa, 1 can of black beans, 1 cup of corn, 1 diced bell pepper, and 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. For the dressing, mix the juice of 2 limes with 3 tablespoons of olive oil and a pinch of salt. Drizzle over the salad and toss to combine. Evening. Dinner. A simple yet satisfying mushroom risotto made with arborio rice, vegetable broth, and plenty of sautéed mushrooms. Preparation. In a large pan, sauté 2 cups of sliced mushrooms in olive oil until browned. Remove from pan and set aside. In the same pan, sauté 1 diced onion in olive oil until softened. Add 1 cup of arborio rice and cook for 2 minutes. Gradually add 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 cup at a time, stirring constantly until absorbed. Stir in mushrooms towards the end of cooking. Oh my! Where did the time go? Almost at the end, and I feel like I'm just ready to start. Day 7. Reflecting on the journey. Morning. Breakfast. A hearty bowl of Greek yogurt, or a plant-based alternative, with granola, mixed nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Preparation. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup of granola, a handful of mixed nuts, and a teaspoon of honey. Afternoon. Lunch. A flavorful stuffed bell pepper filled with quinoa, black beans, corn, tomatoes, and spices. Preparation. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the tops off 4 bell peppers and remove the seeds. In a bowl, mix cooked quinoa, 1 can of black beans, 1 cup of corn, 1 diced tomato, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Stuff the peppers with the mixture and place in a baking dish. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Evening. Dinner. A satisfying veggie pizza with a whole grain crust, topped with tomato sauce, spinach, bell peppers, mushrooms, and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast. Preparation. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Roll out whole grain pizza dough on a baking sheet. Spread with tomato sauce and top with 2 cups of spinach, 1 sliced bell pepper, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, and 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the crust is golden and the veggies are tender. That was a wonderful adventure. At this point I can say that I am hooked. Throughout the week, I felt increasingly energized and noticed improvements in my digestion and overall well-being. The meals were delicious and satisfying, making the longevity diet not only beneficial but also enjoyable. I can see why this way of eating is associated with longer, healthier lives. Overall, I found that the benefits really outweighed the challenges, and I feel like this is something I could incorporate into my lifestyle more permanently. Thanks so much for watching. If you've ever tried the longevity diet, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. And if you haven't, maybe give it a try and see how it works for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Vitality Access for more lifestyle experiments, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. See you next time.